We have 2022 Toyota RAV4. We are doing a LED DRL side marker. It also has the three LEDs on the middle section. That is driving lights. I'll show you how we did it. 2022 Toyota RAV4. We are doing a driving fog light directional lights here. These are the lights. It's a LED. So this is, you don't have to take the bumper off. It'll make it easier if you take the bumper off, but you don't have to. What you do is remove this splash guard here. Then you just pull this away like that. Behind, right at my fingertip, there is a clip. So you're going to remove that clip. And these have a locking tabs on here all the way around. So you're going to push those locking tabs inward, or the other way is just push it in hard, and this will just come this way. So just push that inward. Yep, like that. Go ahead. Yeah. There we go. Yep. Just push in, and it goes in like that. And just remove that completely. Alright, so you don't have to take the bumper off. So once you have this thing removed, the new one, they have actually 3 clips. So not only it's going to be wedged in with the clips here, but you also put locking clips here. So it'll secure in place. Alright, I'm going to briefly explain to you what's what. So these 2 wires, the red and black wire, this is the actual driving light here. Then you have this one, which is the either DRL or turn signal. So this one here is a DRL. So we're going to hook this one, the white one. When you power this red wire here, the white light comes on. When you power the green or the yellow wire, that is a turn signal. So one's for this side, another one for the other side. So these 2 are turn signal. The yellow and the green wire goes to turn signal. The red wire, we're going to hook it up to the ignition. So when you turn the ignition on, white light comes on. When you have a turn signal on, either yellow or green wire, these turn to either flashing, or red wire will make the white light come on here. And these black and white, black and red, that makes this regular fog light, driving light come on. Right, so this LED DRL kit does not come with any wires or harness or switches. I'll put all the links on the description below, so you can buy from Amazon. So basically what we are doing is, once you have that panel splash guard removed from the behind the bumper, you're going to put the light through that hole into the place, and you're going to push forward to lock in place. So move that splash guard just like that, and you're going to put the light through that hole. Then align that locking pins. Make sure you line up straight before you push forward. And once you think it's all lined up, then you just simply push forward. And you will hear the clicking sound once you have all the pins lined up. You just simply push forward hard. Then there is a 1 original locking pin that you remove that goes back in place. Even though it does show 2 other ones on the side, there's no place to put them in. But since this light is light and thin, you don't really need any kind of heavy duty mount. The locking pins itself will hold it in place. So now we're gonna take the turn signal from behind the headlight. That's the one. You just simply reach behind counterclockwise. That light comes out like that. It's lavender green. It's like a white, light green looking one. That is a turn signal. It's the same color on both sides. So you just simply reach behind, turn counterclockwise to remove, connect them. Same thing on this side, counterclockwise, take it out, put it onto the white. It's lavender green online, but it's a white green. And that's a turn signal wire. So you put one on each side for turn signal, and you put it back in place. And those are the turn signal wire. This is the ignition. This is a fuse box under the hood. The very top one, which is a 7.5 amp fuse. And you're gonna put the little T-tap right there. And we are also using a Bosch relay. And you're gonna have to put a ignition wire to 86, then another one 85 to the ground. Number 30 is the input, which is 12 volts from the battery, and 87 is the output to the light. So to take the front dash out, you just gotta take one screw out from the bottom side, and you just simply pull forward toward to you. And there is a dummy switch panel right there. Simply pull that out, make a hole right there, and that switches in and out, meaning that ignition wire that you grab under the hood, you just run it inside and switch. One side switch pin is input, the other switch pin is the output, and you hook that up to the relay number 85. And that's it. So as you can see, switch turns the lights on, headlight turns the DRL lights, turn signal light makes the amber light to flash on and off like that.